As today we talk about how can you select full screen mode on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on settings. When just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on appearance. When you just click here on appearance here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, so then you click here on full screen mode. When you just click on it, and here can you select here. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.